Hey guys! Today we are unboxing the iPhone 12. So are you ready? Let's do it! Hey guys! It's a cool buddy here. So today we are unboxing the iPhone 12 64GB variant, and today we are also doing the review and specs. So this is the beauty itself. Some cinematic shots. Okay, so let's kick it off by reading some specs. This is a 64GB variant, space gray, iPhone 12, black. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. This box includes iPhone 12, USB-C to Lightning cable, no power adapter is included. Headphones are sold separately, headphones and power adapters. It supports GSM, UMTS, LTE and 5G, sub-6 GHz, cellular technologies. It also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC and GPS. So let's unbox it.
So in Karthik, even I want to tell you one thing, that the iPhone is looking very nice from here also.
Okay, that is my friend speaking over there, my cameraman. So this is the iPhone itself. It's very nice actually.
I think Karthik, you're going to do the 30-day review and the unboxing in this video?
Yes. It's a very honest review. This is the iPhone 2 lens iPhone 12. Very sleek. So let's check what else comes in the box. Designed by Apple in California. And of course, Apple stickers. Manual.
And Karthik, I heard that you have a very nice thing that you like collecting Apple stickers very much.
Oh, okay. This is a safety pin for removing the SIM card. And this is a USB-C Lightning cable.
Yeah, and Karthik, a small thing to add. It would be very better if the Apple would add the power adapter with the phone, as it's a very costly adapter these days.
It is very costly. So as you can see, it is very sleek. You have flash, telephoto and normal camera lens.
And Karthik, since many of our users use Android phones, since they do not know about Apple phones, can you just show them how to unlock the Apple phone or start the phone?
So you will see a power button here. You have to keep holding it. So actually you have to hold this. I was just joking. So you have to hold these two. So there you go. It has powered on.
Password 250752.
So it will power on very quickly.
And like Karthik is going through some of the things where we have to do when we unbox the phone. He's setting up his Wi-Fi. So as you can see, the beauty guy, as Karthik has handed me the phone, I'm going to show you how the phone unboxes as I'm going through some specs, and now I'm giving it to Karthik.
So this is the phone inside. So let's see
how Karthik unboxes it,
so
and I think it's a very sleek mobile.
So I have connected to the internet, as you can see here. So if you go into any app, I'm going into the Apple TV app, and you get 1 year free subscription of Apple TV.
Yeah, even I heard if you buy an iMac or if you have a MacBook or an iPad or an iPhone, Apple gives it very cool offer that you get 1 year free of cost Apple TV.
So if you want to exit the app, you just have to swipe down.
And guys, also a point to remember, the iPhone comes very less charged. You have to charge it.
Yes.
And guys, I also heard that Karthik has bought an Logic wireless charging pad along with the iPhone.
Yes,
So
I have.
can you please show our viewers it?
This is the
Oh,
Logic
the
wireless.
beauty is here. The beauty. And Karthik, I also can see that the packing is very nice in it.
Yes.
And can you show the magnetic packing to our customers?
So this is
That's
magnetic.
very magnetic. And can you please also show some detailed reviews over here? Very nice. And I also heard that Karthik bought an pure wooden case from Daily Objects. So could you please also show that to our viewers?
This is very beautiful. The X.
So as you can see guys, we also made an Apple Watch unboxing video in the previous video, and now we are going to make the video of this, and you'll also get the link of the Apple case in the description. And now there's offer going in Daily Object, 2 for 2000 rupees. Very interesting. You also get the wireless chargers, and now I hand it over to Karthik to place take it on from here. So Karthik, why don't you give some fast and easy specs to our customers and viewers?
So I'll read some specs of the wireless charging pad, fast charge. It has wireless QI charging, aluminium body. It is very small and portable. This Prime series wireless charging pad with QI technology is an efficient, portable and safe charger for your Apple, Samsung and other QI enabled devices. The latest QI technology allows you to charge the devices safely at the most optimal speed wirelessly. The elegant aluminium and fabric design lets the charger blend in or stand out in either home or office environment. So,
And guys, we'll also leave the link of the iPhone case, the Logic wireless charger and the iPhone in the description for you to buy. And if any one of you want an iPhone just within 90 minutes at home delivery, then it is available on Flipkart Quick, where you're also getting 1000 rupees off on prepaid transactions. So all the links will be placed in the description, so please do buy it. And you all might be thinking I'm talking, not saying. You'll see me in the next video of the Cool Buddy channel. So guys, now let's see how Karthik tells you about the stuff.
yes. So it is very nice. So as you can see in my last video, we even did the iWatch. So you have to connect your watch to your phone, and then from there you can connect it.
And guys, if you have not watched our iPhone, Apple Watch
We will leave it in the
CS
description.
Series SE unboxing and review in the Cool Buddy channel, we'll leave that description, and you'll also get the link where to buy it, and it's available in Flipkart, Amazon and Apptronic stores near your house. So guys, I think it's the time to tell goodbye to all of you. So Karthik,
Goodbye, and make sure to subscribe. Want the subscribers, like, share. Bye bye.
and guys, at last, do not forget to press the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So hats off guys, bye, hope you like the video.